शक्ति व्हेन यू मेड, उसमें बच्चन साहब के रोल से पहले आई थिंक बब्बर साहब, राज बब्बर साहब was considered or was he going to be a part of
Shakti.
it? बच्चन साहब का इंट्रोडक्शन कैसे हुआ उसके अंदर?
One felt that his role was not big enough.
Okay.
And there the overpowering factor was Dilip Saab. The father's character was more...
Yeah.
But he himself offered his services. He said, yes, why not? Why can't I play it?
That became the casting of the millennium at that time. That became a huge casting. Great actors, both of them. Okay, Bachchan Saab was at that time again at his peak.
Absolutely.
Dilip Saab तो थे ही. इनके बीच में on set, did you find it difficult to manage them?
I can't remember. I know. It's better.
Maybe they did.
No.
Okay.
I better to. Why would I not like to narrate something interesting or some moment which is? But honestly, they were both absolutely fine. I remember the last thing we were shooting at the airport.
Right.
When he shoots the sun, that was the sequence we were shooting. And he sat there, Yusuf Saab, in the room and said, Ramesh, this has been a very, very fascinating experience for me. And this young actor, he is so amazing. He never asks for anything. He's just there. And he's so natural and he's so... he's a great fan of yours also. But you have your way of doing things. He has his way. So they were talking very well of each other.
But amongst your films that I have seen, Shakti does stand as one of my favorite films. Of course, Sholay kept apart. उसके बाद अगर मुझे कोई film लगी है, of course, Shan also I enjoyed, and I liked your earlier films.
Yeah, I want to be different. I want to make something in a different. That's why I can contribute more to it.
Right.
I just feel that it will be more challenging for me to do something in different genre. That's also the reason I went for Bunyad.
Right.
क्योंकि ड्यूरिंग सागर हमने कहा कि अब तो फिल्में पता नहीं लोग आएंगे कि नहीं, टेलीविजन शुरू हो गया है, महाभारत लग गई है, ये तो ये सारी बातें करते करते we got into बुनियाद.
एक टाइम था, कुछ हद तक अभी भी लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं कि you know the transition from a small screen to a big screen is considered as a promotion, and from a silver screen cinema to going on to television is to some extent looked down as a demotion. You were a very, very successful filmmaker at that time. और आप बड़े पर्दे से आप एक टेलीविजन पे आ रहे थे. आपके कोई reservations थे उस वक्त?
रिजर्वेशन तो कोई नहीं था.